What's up everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video I want to show you how you can lower the volume or adjust the audio in Adobe Premiere, and there are actually 3 ways how you can do that, so I will show you all of them. The first one is just click on your audio, go to the effects controls, click on the volume and channel volume, and you will see it here level. It's right now -25, but I can paste it on a like 6, and you can see it here, the white line here just changed. Again, let's go to -44 and you can see it again, it's changed. So this is the first way. The second way how you can do that is actually moving with your line. So let's see. And yep, that's kind of it. Opa, you need to chill out, my man, you need to chill out. And the third way, sorry, is to just click on it and press G, and it will automatically open you the adjusted volume window, and adjust gain by, I don't know, 5. And that's how we do it. So this is the third way, and this is how we adjust the volume in Adobe Premiere. Yeah, if you enjoyed this video, you can support me and subscribe. I'm really thankful for that. Thank you very much, everybody, and goodbye.